All right, so here is your canoe restoration and modernization kit, right? This is how you take those old canoes from the 1990s and early 2000s that are still very good and make them into something great. Cleaning your canoe out, same rule as always. When it comes to getting pest away, shit like that, I like using white vinegar and I put it in clear spray bottles. You know, that's why I keep the clear spray bottles, just so I can put white vinegar in them. And then this is actually peppermint. It's just like liquid peppermint, basically. You just spray it around everywhere. Insects hate it, stuff like that. And this is how you get all the spiders and random crap like that out of your canoe. And in terms of like cleaning the bird shit and the lime scale off the canoe, I would soak it in vinegar, like let it sit in the sun for a day or something before you hit it with the steel wool. These numbers on the side of the boat, they're for the trolling motor, stuff like that, for us to legally have that. So I'm going to be repainting the trolling motor numbers and stuff like that. But this is the first step of this process is I want to coat the metal and the portions where the metal meets the Kevlar fiberglass composite. I want to paint that with Flex Seal. Alright, so this is the result that we have so far. You're just slathering this shit to kind of create like a seal in the more vulnerable spots. Very harsh saltwater environments, and this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning, because, you know, we got more coats of Flex Seal coming, but I put 2 cans of Flex Seal to protect the Kevlar lining of the canoe, and it's a little more peachy than I would have hoped. I would have hoped for more of a desert tan. So we're going to like flatten that out just a little bit with some Rustoleum. Alright, so I hit it with a little bit of brown and tan just so it's not so peachy. And we're going to take a little bit of green and we're going to create a macro pattern on the inside of the canoe. We need to let this dry. It's going to take a while for it to dry. And we have a basic macro pattern for camouflaging the inside of the canoe. Alright, so the canoe looking pretty good. Everything's dry. We're about to paracord wrap the handles. Alright, so now we have the paracord wrapped. Paracord's wrapped. It doesn't look very good. It looks like a 2-year-old did it, but I've never been that good at the paracord thing. I got the seats wrapped because those old plastic seats, man, they've been hit by the sun for years and years and years. So I think the fact that I put a layer of Flex Seal on them and the fact that I got them wrapped with paracord to kind of distribute that weight out and kind of take some of the pressure off that plastic. And these are our S-clips, and I've thrown some Flex Seal on them. They're just giant S-clips, and they're going to be to attach the canoe for like docking and stuff like that. So now we're flipping the canoe over, and we're going to coat the underside of it with truck bed liner. Alright, so we've hit it with the bed liner base coat. Not a perfect base coat, I ran out, but we can always put more on later. I could pick some more up from Walmart. It doesn't have to look good. This is just the base coat anyway. Now we're going to be hitting it with some Krylon. Alright, so as you can see, I've covered up some of that gray. Not all of it, but a lot of it. Still a work in progress, but we're getting to the end stages here. Alright, so now it's got a really crazy look to it. We don't have the stencils on yet, but we're going to have that shortly. Shortly here we'll have the stencils on. So now we have the basic paint job, and I'm going to let this dry, and then after I let it dry, we're going to add the final touches. I like to add the final touches when it's right side up. Alright, so we got it flipped over, and we're going to add the finishing touches. And this is our end result. I think it turned out beautifully. I think it turned out great. This is the kind of thing you can do to an older canoe and make it an amazing canoe. I'm going to keep adding pouches. I have plans to add zippered pouches to the seats. You can definitely add MOLLE pouches to a canoe. I encourage people to do so. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It wasn't an easy project to do at all, but it was worth it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Do whatever you can to support my channel, please. Please and thank you. Support my channel. Jordan Jareb, signing off.